And today's topic is answering most of the Trilogic's PLC query about instrumentation calculation techniques. So guys, this is very important na if we are instrument technician is alam natin yung ating mga calculation formulas. Pero dito sa Trilogics, bibigyan ko kayo ng techniques. Actually, it is the technique taught by me by isa sa GE engineer noong ako yung nasa RasGas, Liquid Natural Gas, Qatar. So, maganda yung tinuro niya sa akin at gusto ko itong i-share sa inyo. Hindi mo na kailangan ng formula, but instead, just follow the procedure that I will going to teach. So, tara guys. Guys, ito yung ating pressure transmitter. This is Yokogawa 110 AA. If I'm not mistaken. AGA 43E. 43E. Yung sabi ko pala pressure transmitter. So, pressure transmitter siya at ang kanyang range, for example, is 0 to 400 baht or 0 to 300 baht. Let's see. So again, ang kanyang range value is 0 to 400 baht. Ibig sabihin, ano to? Offshore. Kasi mga range value sa offshore is ganyan ang range value. Unlike with the sa on-site, medyo bumababa na yan, 0 to 10 bars, 0 to 50 bars. Ganyan yung mga range value. Ito most likely offshore range value. Okay, let us example 0 to 400 bar. So how to calculate? So we have the question, guys. So for our question is, what is the value of 7.2 milliampere? What is the pressure value? So, what is the pressure value? What is the process value of 7.2 milliampere? So, in this case, usually, meron tayong formula. So, hindi ko na alam actually kung anong formula niyan. Pero kaya kong gumawa ng sarili kong formula based doon sa aking techniques. So, paano ba natin i-resolve yung 7.2 milliampere into 0 to 400 bar? So, one thing we need to do is calculate the process average, the span value. So we have the process span value. So what is the formula of the span? Span is equals to upper range value or URV minus the lower range value or LRV. So in this case, 0 to 400, so dito ang 400 minus 0 bar equals to 400. So guys, meron na tayong span ng ating analog signal at span ng ating process variable. So, gagawin lang natin is magpo-cross, magpo-quadrant lang tayo. And my left side is my process variable. And this is the process variable span and milliampere span. So what is our milliampere span? 16 milliampere. And my span here is 400. At ang hinahanap natin is yung 7.2 na process variable in terms of bar. Milliampere plus 4. So, una muna natin gagawin is 7.2. Tatandaan niyo guys ha, kung ang hinahanap ay process variable, kukunin natin yung value muna ng ating milliampere. So, 7.2 milliampere minus 4. So, ang gagawin muna natin is 7.2 milliampere minus 4. Ayan ha. Times 400 bar. Over 16 milliampere. So 7.2 milliampere minus 4 is equals to 3.2 milliampere times 400 bar over 16 milliampere. So cross out natin yung milliampere. Then let's see what is the value. So guys, ang value ni 7.2 milliampere is 80 bar. 80 bar. So yan ang value ni 7.2 milliampere. And mag-cross check tayo. So ito yung ating graph. So this is my 4 to 20, 4 milliampere. My 12 milliampere. 8 milliampere. 16 milliampere. And this is my 20 milliampere. And this is my 400. 200. So this is my 0. 100. Ito yung 300. So, ang hinahanap natin is between 4 and 8. So, this is my 7.2. So, ang value na is 80 bar. So, yun ang cross-check natin. So, yung ating procedure guys is naka-plug sa upper part ng ating video. Pa-plug ko siya para mostly mas maintindihan nyo kung paano ang procedure. May mga procedure lang tayo gagawin. Without formula, makagawa ka ng sariling formula in the field na madali mo siya ma-memorize. Okay. So guys, may nag-request ulit. If ang tanong naman niya is what is the current value means milliampere of 227 bar. Based pa rin doon sa ating range value na 0 to 400 bar. So again guys, i-repeat ulit natin ang procedure. Ang procedure natin is A, calculate the span. The span of whom? The span of process variable and the milliampere or the analog. Okay. So, kunin natin, span is, so PG tayo, process variable. Span is equals to URB minus LRB. So, 400 minus 0 equals to 400. And for our analog, so span is equals to URB minus LRB milliampere, so 20 milliampere minus 4 milliampere equals to 16 milliampere. So again, binaliktad natin yung procedure. Pahanapin naman natin yung milliampere. So gagawa ulit ako ng aking quadrant. Plus 4. So ito yung wala ngayon. At ito naman yung may value, yung ating process variable. So ang ating process variable value is 227 bar. At ang ating span ay 400. Ilalagay ulit natin yung 16 milliampere na span. Then, start calculating. Cross multiply. 227 bar times 16 milliampere over 400 bar. Plus 4 milliampere. So, alisin natin yung bar. So, milliampere na matitira. So, equals to 227 bar times 16 over 400 bar is equals to 9.08 milliampere plus 4 milliampere. So, equals to 13.08 milliampere. So, ang ating value ng 227, so nandito siya 227 between dito 227 bar. So, ang kanyang value is 13.08 milliampere. So, dito siya around between 12 and 16 milliampere. So, yan guys lang yung ating yan lang yung ating tatandaan kung meron tayong mga value na to. Gamitin natin yung procedure ng ating technique. So, very powerful yan guys. At sa susunod nating vlog is ipipictures naman natin ang negative value at ituturo ko naman yung ating flow, yung ating square root structure. So yun guys, thank you so much for watching my YouTube channel and hopefully is na-intindihan nyo ang simple techniques kung paano i-calculate yung ating analog signal. If meron naman kayong, for example, 1 to 5 volts, so yun na ilalagay nyo dito sa milliampere. I-substitute nyo na lang ito volt DC. So ganun din siya guys. Then, abangan nyo, gagawa kami ng miniature ng aming elevator, which is 4th story building miniature. It will consist of sensors, actuators, and indicators. So very siya, a little bit high, advanced. Let's say advanced. Na i-manufacture namin dito sa Trilogix at handa namin ito i-offer sa mga colleges or even our high school. Magre-request lang sa amin ng isang school kung ilang computers ang gusto nila at ilang miniatures. Of course, kasama din doon is traffic light kung gusto din nilang magpagawa sa amin ng traffic light control and the pick and drop. Magmamanufacture po kami dito sa Trilogix Training Institute.